welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial on myself, and I'm not going to talk too much during this video because everything is pretty self-explanatory, but all the products that I use will be listed down below, sis. The information about the hair is going to be at the end of the video, so yeah. So all the colors that you see me using on my eye initially are from the Juvias Place Zulu palette. I'm using the orange, the yellow, and the pink out of that palette for my eye look. And I'm using the Sigma E40 brush that I always use every single time to blend both the yellow and the orange. So I'm taking a P. Louise base in shade number 0, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. I'm cutting my crease lower today because I didn't want like a super rounded cut crease. My eyelid goes into like that round shape naturally, but I wanted it to be like a low-key soft cut crease, so that's why I wanted to do something lower, close to my natural lid area. And I'm also going to elongate that as well. So I'm just tapping my brush along, trying really hard not to bring that cut crease up high, honey, because I know I live for a high cut crease. So I'm just tapping out that extra product, and then I'm going to go in and add my lid colors. So I'm going in with my Sugarpill eyeshadows for my lid because the yellow that I used on the other eye was from Juvia's Place, and it just wasn't bright enough for my lid. So the yellow from Sugarpill is called Buttercup, and it's really bright. So I use that on my lid instead on this eye. And I'm just using a Morphe M433 brush to apply those colors. So now I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner that I've shared with you guys before. Amazon, the little store that I get it from, is like completely sold out because, you know, y'all ran and got it. So I don't think it's in stock until like the end of April now. But I'm working on my own glitter liners for you guys. Yeah, so I'm cooking some stuff up. But yeah, that's the liner that I use. It's just a gold metallic eyeliner that I use for just a little bit of sparkle. And now I'm going in with this Bliss moisturizer. I believe it's called like Kiss Hydration, but y'all know it's gonna be listed down below. I'm applying my lashes while the moisturizer is soaking to my skin. These lashes are gonna hit my site. I'm aiming for them to hit the site on Monday, but realistically they probably won't hit the site until next Friday. Just be out, you know, on the lookout for that. And I'm applying my foundation. I used the Anastasia stick foundation this time in the shade Truffle, and then I'm going in with MAC's NC45 concealer. I actually just ordered some makeup for me because I ran out of the makeup that I use for myself, so I have to order my own makeup because I really don't use NC45 on myself. It's a little bit a little, just a tad bit too light for me, but that's what I had, so I just used it. And I'm taking my Shop Miss A sponge to blend it in. Now, if you guys don't notice, my audio sounds way better because I was tired of y'all coming at me. I wasn't tired of y'all coming at me. I knew my audio was bad, and I have a really low voice, so now it may sound like I'm talking louder, but I really don't. I just have the mic volume turned all the way up so you guys can hear me better, because I really do naturally have like a really low voice, and it really hurts for me to talk loud. Like, I don't like talking loud. So now we have the mic, so I'm comfortable. Y'all can hear me better. It's all good. Wait until I get a new camera and some better lighting, honey. Girl, just stick it out with me, because I really want to improve my quality. But in the meantime, I'm gonna work with what I have. So now I'm just contouring my jawline so I can make it look slimmer, and my cheeks, and then I'm gonna go in and press that Sacha Buttercup into my skin using the foundation brush that I use. Now we're gonna go in to our waterline with NYX Jumbo pencil, and I'm gonna add some of the colors that's on the top of my eye, and then I'm gonna add some glitter. Now with the glitter, I tried to go in with my signature like black glitter that I like to do with my clients, but it just was not turning out how I wanted it to turn out. So I went over that with this custom mix. It's going to be limited edition, a glitter that I'm adding to the website. So I just went in with that instead. So because that black was not doing what I wanted it to do. But yeah, you guys, the next few videos will be of me, because I have to get these hair tutorials, not hair tutorials, but I just have to get these hair videos out. And instead of doing like the tutorial when I'm explaining like exactly what I'm doing, especially if you've seen me do my makeup a few times before, I want to like talk about different things during the video. So if you have questions, I think I want to do like a Q&A. So you guys ask me questions, leave questions down below in this video, and I'm going to also post my Instagram. So while you're watching the makeup tutorial, I'll be like answering questions. I think that'll be like really fun. So I'm going to do that. I might do ASMR because you guys always say that my voice sounds like ASMR. So I might do that while I'm doing my makeup, like an ASMR makeup tutorial. Ooh, that would be so freaking funny. This tutorial, like, I didn't even want it to be that long because it was just something. This is just like a really simple makeup look that'll be cute for like the spring. And y'all know I love a wet lip. Like the matte lip was cute. That was Lolita2 from Kat Von D. That was real pretty, and that used to be my favorite lipstick, but I live for a juicy wet lip. So I'm applying this pink Covergirl lip gloss. This is the completed look, you guys. It looks real tropical, real summery, real springtime in Brooklyn or whatever, even though I live in Jersey, but y'all know I'm from Brooklyn. So I really think this look came out super cute. And you know, I forgot to take a video of my makeup for y'all because it was so late at night when I did this, but I just wanted to like wash my face and go to sleep. Take a little boomerang though for you to see what the eyeshadow really looks like. So yeah, if you want to learn more about the hair, just keep on watching. So this wig is from a company called Foxy Wigs, and this is what the hair looked like pretty much when I got it. I believe I got 22 inches, which you all know isn't long on me because I'm tall. So I ended up cutting the hair into a bob, but they also have a video on their website of what the hair looks like more so out of the box, so you guys can get an idea of the texture. If you watch my other curly hair videos, you already know the products that I use in my hair to make it, you know, more curly, more bouncy. all I did was cut the hair into a bob and got this cute little style. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you show this video some love, and don't forget to ask your questions down below, because I'm going to answer them in the next video. Thanks for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.